doing a smoky eye, 'cause I'm so fly, I'm born in July. But that's a lie. So a couple of weeks ago, I asked you guys what you'd like to see on the channel, and some of y'all replied back saying they want smoky brown eyeshadow tutorial. So today,
your wish is my command.
Now one great thing about a brown eyeshadow is that it really goes with any eye color or shape. So now I will shut up and show you how it's done. What we're going to do is attack the lids. We want to create depth and dimension. So I'm taking this Becca Ombre Rouge palette in a neutral shade, this one. It has to be matte because it's going to your crease. Take this fluffy brush, tap up the excess and do this. So now, because I'm basic like that, I'm going to use the exact same palette and go for a darker brown mix between these two and apply it over my entire lid. Don't go too in because that's going to like enhance your dark circles like me, and then you'll just look like a panda. Just double check and go like, is it even? Yes, it is. Since it's a smoky eye, but you also want to add some shimmer to it, I'm going to take a little flat-ended brush. Never stick to one restricted product because then it's not fun. So I'm going to mix this darker brown with this lighter brown and kind of go like dab, 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 dab. Just make sure you're gently patting the eyeshadow on because you don't want any fallout. Now you're done. Now that you've achieved your beautiful top lid smoky eye, we are going to attack the bottom lid and actually make it smoldering so you know you can give Bay a wink. Take a tiny brush, take from the previous palette the brown, slowly apply it to your lower lid. Be very careful, you don't want to poke your eye, then cry, then wipe off all your makeup. It's not gonna go. So you want to apply it to your waterline and then just wing it out. Woo! You are now done. Instead of doing what I did before by putting shadow on your lower lids, you can opt for a brown eyeliner. But now for the final, you take an eyelash curler and mascara and do the needful. You are now done, my friends. Simple and easy steps that anyone can really try out at home or anywhere else. Send us pictures, tag MissMalini, tag me, and don't forget to send me other things, meaning DMs and all your requests that you want to see on the channel. Bye! Woo, woo, woo!